Today I'm gonna talk about my daily activities. But first thing first, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Fionna Abigail. I am the first daughter of two. Right now, I am a university student from Christian University of Indonesia. Then we're gonna talk about my daily activities. I wake up around 4:30 a.m. on Monday and Tuesday, and then around 7 or 8 a.m. on Wednesday until Sunday. And then after I wake up, I usually take a little break or small break to pray and tidy up my bed, and then I take a bath or I take my breakfast. I go to my university. It depends on my class schedule. I usually go to my university about 1 hour or 2 hours before the class starts because my house is about 37 kilometers away from my campus, and I usually use my motorcycle. Every day I have to deal with the traffic jam that always occurs when I go to campus and on my way back to home. Even though I have to face that all, I still enjoy studying at my university. And then I usually do my homework during my free time. The time when I go to bed is sometimes at 11 or 12 p.m. and when on a weekend I go to bed at 1 or 2 a.m. And before I go to bed, I and my family read the Bible and pray together. And every night before I sleep, I always do sleep call with my boyfriend, and sometimes we pray together before we sleep. Then when it's on Friday or Saturday at evening, I usually attend youth services with my brother or with my boyfriend. If I don't go to the youth services, sometimes I spend my time with my family to have a dinner in a restaurant or go to the cinema to watch a movie. And on Sunday, I go to church to be at Sunday school services and meet those cute little kids. Then after Sunday services, sometimes I go lunch with my boyfriend family or with my family, and that is my daily activities.